Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The EOS Rebel T7 camera can help mobile device users take their photography to the next level. With a large 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, fast autofocus, built-in wireless connectivity, and more. It combines fantastic features with easy operation for high-quality images you'll be proud to share. Whether you're out on an adventure hike or snapping candids of your friends during a late night out, the EOS Rebel T7 can help you take photos you'll want to show off. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity makes it easy to share, print, or get your favorite pictures up on selected social media sites for your friends, family, and the world to see. Next on the list is Canon EOS 6D Mark II. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II camera puts full-frame performance into a compact, fully featured DSLR with amazing image quality, fast and accurate autofocus, and the versatility desired for numerous environments. The EOS 6D Mark II offers creative content makers a camera that's as fun as it is powerful. It combines a 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with the excellent Digic 7 image processor and an ISO range of 100 to 40,000 to deliver photos and videos of incredible quality. The EOS 6D Mark II camera is lightweight and durable, remaining capable in a variety of scenarios. Third on the list is Nikon D7500 DSLR camera. Class-leading image quality, ISO range, image processing, and metering is equivalent to the award-winning D500. The D7500 uses the same 20.9 MPDX format image sensor and the X-Speed 5 image processing engine as the D500, taking your photos and videos to the next level. Capture with phenomenal sharpness and tonality, especially on low-light situations like concerts, sporting events, and parties. The D7500 uses a monocoque design and extensive weather sealing to withstand moisture, dust, and some heavy use. The fourth on the list is Nikon D3400 DSLR camera. Before the D3400, you chose your smartphone camera for convenience. Zooming was clumsy, shooting in low light was nearly impossible, and capturing fast action was a game of luck. But after the D3400, you'll see that you were compromising image quality. Compact and lightweight, the D3400 is designed to go anywhere you go. Easily pairs with up to 5 smart devices and always connected. Backups are automatically stored in the cloud on Nikon Image Space. The last one on the list is Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera. The EOS Rebel SL3 is the lightest and smallest Canon EOS DSLR camera to date. Its compact construction is accompanied by excellent usability, including a round-up grip that can sit comfortably in your hand. The EOS Rebel SL3 lets you shoot with dual-pixel CMOS AF for fast, accurate autofocus that helps you get the photo you want right as the moment happens. It is designed to make connecting to a Wi-Fi network fast and easy. It can exchange data with other Wi-Fi connected compatible Canon cameras and transfer files directly to a compatible smart device using the Camera Connect app. Well, we hope you made up your mind on which DSLR camera to buy. Review the links to the products given at the description box.